Hey everybody, this is Bart with Great Meals Barbecue, and tonight I'm going to be doing grilled pork steak. Stay tuned. All right, what we got going tonight is I'm going to do some pork steak. These are about 1/2 inch, maybe a little thicker than that. Not real thick pork steak. And if you're not from the Midwest and don't know what a pork steak is, basically it's just a pork shoulder that's been sliced up into steaks. And we're just going to go ahead and grill these. My wife and I are both have started keto in the last couple of weeks, so barbecue sauce is out. But we're going to go ahead and grill some pork steak tonight. And all I've done on these is put a little bit of salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Normally you would do these with barbecue sauce. But like I said, we're doing keto, so that's not an option tonight. Get these all laid out here. And I'm also going to do a little bit of asparagus on the griddle. We're also doing some broccoli and cheese, but we're going to just doing that inside tonight. I did the other sides before I got started here, so we're just going to put a little bit of everything, salt, pepper, and onion powder and garlic powder on here. And these are probably literally going to take about 4 to 5 minutes per side. They get done really quick. My wife really likes them with a good char on them. In fact, when we barbecue them, hers is literally blackened. And that's the way she wants it. If it's not charred, then she doesn't like it. Myself, I like it with just a slight char on it. We go with some onion powder. And a little bit of garlic powder. I really like the onion powder on pork. I think it really brings out the flavor of the pork, especially when you're not going to put a sauce on it. Okay, so I'm going to let that go here until it's time to flip them, and we'll be back. All right, these are just about ready to flip, so I'm going to go ahead and get my asparagus on here. I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil on there. And salt, pepper, and garlic. And by the time these pork steak are ready to take off, the asparagus should be done. Not doing very much asparagus because I'm the only one that eats it. My wife doesn't like it. And we'll put onion powder on that as well. Mix it up a little. Okay, see what we've got on our pork steak here. There we go. Got a nice char on the other side. Like I said, these are so thin that they really only need 3-4 minutes tops. I'm going to turn that burner up on the asparagus side just a little bit. Okay, I'm going to let those cook here for just a few minutes, and then we'll be back when we're ready to take them off. All right, I think we're just about ready here. Let's check our asparagus. Oh, that's got a nice little char. That's looking good. That's a sweetener. And our pork steaks are just about perfect here. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get this off and get it inside and get it plated up. Okay, and here we go. We've got grilled pork steak, grilled asparagus, and homemade coleslaw. I'll put my wife's recipe for the coleslaw down in the description below. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.